If you don't want to show your face, don't want to talk on camera, and still want to make serious money online in 2026, then this video is for you. It's simple. You earn commissions by promoting digital products or services without ever showing your face on camera. No building a personal brand, no filming yourself, and you don't even need followers to start. Think about the content you already see online. Screen recordings showing how to use a cool new app. Videos with smooth AI voiceovers, quick clips made from just text and stock videos. Or even animated slideshows explaining a concept. That's all faceless content, and it's making people a lot of money. Now, let's get into the first critical step. This is where most beginners go wrong. You need to pick one profitable niche. Not two, not five, just one. Trying to do too much at once is a guaranteed path to failure. For 2026, the best niches for beginners are the ones with proven demand. Think about things like make money online, AI tools that save people time, digital products, side hustles for extra income, online education, and even personal finance basics. The key is to find a niche where people are already spending money. If you see others successfully selling in that space, that's your green light. You're in the right place. Once you've got your niche, it's time for step 3, choosing high-converting affiliate products. Don't just grab random links and hope for the best. You want to promote digital products because they offer instant delivery and usually have much higher commission rates. Look for products that offer between 40 and 70% commissions. That's a huge piece of the pie. Make sure the product has a proven sales page that's already converting visitors into buyers. Even better, look for programs that provide you with done-for-you funnels and dedicated affiliate support. If the product creator has already done the hard work of making something that sells, your only job is to send traffic to it. This brings us to the fun part, creating the actual content. This is where AI becomes your best employee. You can create amazing faceless videos without any video editing skills. Here's a simple formula to follow. First, use an AI text-to-speech tool to create a clean, professional voiceover from your script. Next, find high-quality stock video clips or create simple screen recordings that match what the voiceover is talking about. Then, overlay captions on your video. This is super important because so many people watch videos without sound. Finally, post it as a YouTube short or a full-length video. You don't need to be a creative genius. You just need to be consistent with your output. Now what? You need to upload it to YouTube the smart way. A brand new channel doesn't just get lucky and go viral. Focus on making how-to videos, beginner-friendly tutorials, and content with titles that solve a specific problem. Use long-tail keywords in your titles and descriptions, which are longer, more specific phrases that people search for. Remember, YouTube is a search engine first and a social media platform second. If you help people find answers, YouTube will help people find you. Now, let's talk about traffic. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is sending traffic directly to a raw affiliate link. It's confusing and it doesn't build any trust. Instead, create a very simple 2-step funnel. Your YouTube video sends viewers to a page where they can get a free, valuable guide in exchange for their email. It's a clean process. YouTube video, one link in your description, one clear action for the viewer. No confusion, much higher conversions. Finally, how do you scale this whole thing without burning out? Step 7 is all about working smarter, not harder. Once you create a video that performs well, don't just move on. Repeat what works. To a free guide, to the affiliate product. You can even reuse the same scripts with different background videos or slightly different AI voices. Let AI tools handle most of the editing and creation process. It's about building a system that works for you. So, if you want to get my exact faceless setup, including all the tools, beginner-friendly shortcuts, and the high-converting products I recommend, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.